So here's a train coming through the industrial area, this giant paper mill. Really like that illuminated factory over in the back there. Really love all those trees too. A lot of work in those. Again, I'll give an overview of this whole scene. The flashing light on top of that stack. And that really cool water tower. The whole thing just gives a real industrial feel to it. You feel it's like a paper mill. In the back there, you can see some tank cars. Very interesting.